Hey y'all, welcome. Thanks for joining me. I'm Chawnta and this is Tutt Tips. Alright y'all, so y'all know I've been wearing these crochets for, I don't know, about 5 months now on and off. And I love them. It's a good protective hairstyle, but I want to jazz them up a little bit. I found some cute ways to add accessories to them. So that's what I'm sharing with y'all today. So right off, I want to let y'all know that I know y'all see my gray hair. My gray highlights is popping. What I'm going to do to rectify that, because I'm not going to dye my hair. So they do sell these crochets on Amazon in gray. So I'm going to start incorporating some gray crochet locks into my hair. So the next time y'all see me on here, I'll probably have 1 or 2 locks that are gray, just to pull everything together, because I'm not going to be able to hide the gray. Y'all see these grays? So hopefully that's not too much of an eyesore for y'all during this how-to video. Then let's get started. What I love most about it is it comes with these little hair tools to make it easy to apply. I have some hair stuck to my ring. Y'all see this? Okay, so this is the first one I'm going to add. Very easy, y'all. This is going to be a very quick video. So let's pick a lock, pick where we want one at. Where we want one. So normally my go-to is, because I only have on one earring, right? The hair is covering this side of my head. My head. So I always pick where an earring would go. And I just think that's cute, you know, just having something right there wherever your earring would normally be placed at. So we're going to pick this braid right here. Not braid, but crochet. This lock. So all you do is you're going to apply the accessory first. The jewelry first. Put it through this end. Now it's on there. Next you're going to pick your strand of hair you want to use. All you do is take the end of the hair and feed it through the opening. Sometimes I just double it up so it can go through a little easier. So once it's on there, ooh, okay. Once it's on there, you're just going to take this, you're pulling it down and through, just like that. And then you're just going to pull this up as far as it can go, or as far as you want it. So if you want it at the top, push it to the top. Okay, but I had said I wanted to do this one down here. Go up a little higher. Let's see, where my ear? Okay, so about like right there. That's normally like where I like to start, and then I design where I'm going to put, or pick where I'm going to put the accessories at by this location. This is made out of, I think this is plastic. So whatever it's made out of, it's easy to get different sizes on there, because it's gonna come together to allow you to put different size accessories on there. Normally I like to put the little ones, the smaller ones, down at the bottom. Now, for this set of accessories, what you're going to do is you're going to find the spot where you need to just separate it. Find that little spot in this hook and push it away from each other. Don't pull it apart. I've seen a lot of videos where they say to pull it apart, but I'm telling y'all, it's very hard to do it that way. So when I bought this, I seen this technique, and it's so much easier, y'all. Separate it just enough for you to loop it through the center, through one of your locks, your braids, or twist, and then connect it back again, push it back together. And then I like to turn it, the part where it pulls away from each other, I like to twist that part back into the braid so you cannot see that part. I wanted to have my hair freshly done when I did this video for y'all, but it didn't work out like that. Time didn't work out like that. But that's okay. My sister said it looks better anyway once they're old a little bit, because it looks more natural, like some real locks. Looking cute, looking cute. How you like me now? How you like me now? Alright, so y'all know I'm always looking out for y'all, so of course the links below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you for watching.